And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start Excel 3E investment. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Now I'm going to move for the project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that summarizes the investment for the city of the Orange Blossom Beach. Okay. Here is the project description. You can see here I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Excel. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grade for them. Now you can see here it's a Excel 3 investment. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Open the Excel workbook to student Excel 3E investment downloaded with this project. Okay. And now I'm going to show the Excel workbook that's I already downloaded this one. Now I'm going to move in cell B10 and C enter the formula to calculate for the each column B10 and C10, B10 and C10. As you can see, today I'm going to solve the Excel 3E investment. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay. Here you can see I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grades for them. Just text me through WhatsApp or email if you trouble in any project. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Okay. Okay, now you can see here I am going to move further. Construct a formula in cell D5. Now you can see here I am going to insert a formula in cell D5. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grade for them. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. If you trouble in any project, I can make 100% grade for you in all assessment. Okay, now I am going to construct a formula in cell D5. Okay. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I can make quality grade for you in all assessment, simulation training, simulation exam and apply the percentage style and center the values. Okay. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Select the non-adjustment A5 to OK. Then insert a 3D pie chart. Okay. A5 to A9 and C5 to C9, A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 and insert a 3D pie chart. Okay, then move the chart to new worksheet that's name is projected investments. Okay, copy this one. Okay, here you can see I have made this modification. For the chart title type, projected revenue, format the chart title by applying a word odds and the okay. Now you can see here I am going to do the step number 5 here for the chart title projected revenue. Projected revenue and format the chart title by applying a word art style. Format word art style in the first row. Okay. Change the font size to 32, apply the second style and change the font size to 32. I have done this one. Now I am going to remove the legend from the chart element and then apply the add and data label and chart element. Now you can see here I am going to solve the step number 6 here. Remove the legend chart element and then okay. In home tab You can see here I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. Remove the legend. Now you can see here. Remove the legend from the chart. I have removed the legend from the chart and add data label chart element. Only category name and percentage in center. Data label, category name and percentage, and remove the value and in center. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Change the font size of the data label 12 and apply bold. Font size 12 and apply bold. Okay. Next, let's say using 3D format effect, change the top bevel and bottom bevel to last bevel style in the last row. 3D style. Now you can see here I am going to use the 3D style. Okay. Okay, then it says set the top bevel weight and height 350 point and set the bottom level weight and height 0. 350 point and 0 point for the. Okay, I have made this modification. And it says change the material to the third standard effect plastic and change the material to third standard effect plastic. Okay, display the series option and then set the angle of the first slide to 100%. Put the investment slide the front. Okay, angle of first series option, angle of first slide to 10%. Okay, slide to 100, angle of first slide to 100. Here you can see I am going to change the angle of first slice to 100% and then select the put investment slice and then explode the 10%, expose the slice to 10%. It says select the pool investment slice, pool investment slice. Okay, here you can see change the fill color of the pool investment slide in the last column. Change the fill color pool investment slice to the last column. Okay, here you can see I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Change the fill color of the pool investment slide in the last column. Apply the fourth color, last column fourth color and the fill color. Gradient fill fourth column, fourth color. Okay, last column apply the fourth color. Now you can see here I am going to solve this one. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. 1 2 3 4. Now I am going to move format the chart area by applying the gradient fill using the present gradient fill. Format the plot area gradient fill with the present gradient fill. Okay. Formulate the border of the chart area by adding the solid line in the fifth column. Apply the first color. Change the weight to 5 point. Formulate the border of the chart area. Adding a solid line. Fifth column. Apply the first color. Solid line. Fifth column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First color. And the point of the border weight is to 5 point. Okay. Now I'm going to display the page setup dialog box and then use the chart. Okay. Display the page setup dialog box and then chart sheet, insert a custom footer in the left section with the file name. Now you can see here I am going to insert a custom footer. Okay, I have done this modification. Now I am going to move for my next step. Display the sheet 1 and rename the sheet 1 as investment. Okay. Display the sheet 1 and rename the sheet 1 investment source. Display the sheet 1 and rename the sheet as investment source. Okay. And click any blank cell to the cancel selection and A12 type. Here you can see today I am going to solve Excel 3E investment. It's a greater project of Microsoft Excel class. If you need the solution of any project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to do a quality grade for you. And margin center A12 to D12, apply the heading 3 cell style. Okay. A12 to D12 and the heading 3 cell style and cell A13 type goal amount. Here you can see I have made this modification. Copy the ranges C6 to D6 to cell B13. C6 to D6 to B13. Okay. And use goal 6 to determine and C13 and then use the goal 6 to determine the projected amount of the control instruction B13 to value is okay. Now I am going to insert a goal seek. B13 the value is 10%. B13 value in C13. Goal seek to determine the projected amount of the C13 and the value C13 is to 10%. Now I am going to move for my next step. Select the ranges A13 to C13, apply the 20% cell style. Select the ranges A13 to C13. A13 to C13 and apply 20% as in 4 cell style. Home tab. 20% as at 4 cell style. Okay. In B13 for mom the style gallery, apply the currency in B13. From the style gallery, apply the currency number format. Okay. Here you can see today I have done Excel 3E investment. It's to need institution of this project. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft all classes, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to develop quality grade for you. From the page setup dialog box, center the worksheet horizontally and then insert a footer live. Okay. Worksheet in the center. Page layout. Okay, you can see here customer footer. And the worksheet made center horizontally. I have made this modification. If you need the solution of this project, I already gave a direct WhatsApp link and email address in the description. You can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, thank you so much.